30-day low-carb diet ketosis plan, day 4. In breakfast. Fried eggs with red wine vinegar. Ingredients for fried eggs with red wine vinegar. 1 tablespoon butter. 4 eggs. 1/2 teaspoon salt. 1/8 teaspoon pepper. 1/8 teaspoon marjoram. 2 teaspoons red wine vinegar. 1/2 teaspoon parsley. Break eggs into skillet over 1/2 tablespoon melted butter. Add spices and cook until whites are solid. Place eggs onto serving plates. Melt remaining 1/2 tablespoon of butter and heat for 2 minutes. Stir in red wine vinegar and allow mixture to cook for another minute. Pour over eggs. Garnish with parsley. Yields 2 servings. Total net carbs, 1 gram per serving. In lunch. Salami roll-ups. Ingredients for salami roll-ups. 5 large slices hard salami. 1 tablespoon cream cheese. 2 celery stalks. Soften cream cheese in microwave and spread on salami, roll up. Enjoy celery on the side. Yields 1 serving. Total net carbs, 5.9 grams per serving. In dinner. Mexican veal sausages. Ingredients for Mexican veal sausages. 1.5 pounds ground veal. 2 green onions, finely chopped 1/3 cup. 2 tablespoons fresh cilantro, chopped. 2 tablespoons green or red salsa. 1/2 teaspoon ground cumin. 1/2 teaspoon salt. 1/4 teaspoon freshly ground black pepper. 2 tablespoons olive oil. 1/4 cup green or red salsa for garnish. 1/4 cup sour cream for garnish. 1 lime, cut into slices or wedges, for garnish. Combine veal, onion and all spices in mixing bowl and blend together, mash together with bare hands for best results. Shape mixture into 4 sausage links. Heat oil in a non-stick skillet on high heat and brown sausage 8 to 10 minutes, turning frequently. Yields 4 servings. Total net carbs, 0.5 grams per serving. Total net carbs for day 4 based on a single serving per meal, 7.4 grams. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoy this video. Subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon and do like, share and comment below.